Let's have a look at the tab layouts and the alignments for your titles. So you can click on tab layouts in your settings here, and you can either align or position rather your titles at the top, at the bottom, at the left or at the right. When you have them positioned at the top or at the bottom, you can also align them to the left, center or right, easily by setting it here, and just like that. When looking to those other optional tab title or wrapper settings, you can see that you can create some spacing between your actual titles and your first content area, or the content areas, because the other ones will be hidden obviously. You can include some padding if you want. You're really going to be appreciating this if you have set some background to the wrapper actually of the titles. So let's include some background here so you can see how that works. And then you can set it to wrap only, where your element will be wrapped like that rather than be full width, which is the default. You can include a border if you'd like to, specify the border color, and you can include a border radius just like that.